Well, this is my first unboxing ever. I bought a watch from China over 2 months ago from a company called Pagani Design over AliExpress, and this just arrived today. I'll open up the box and show what is inside. Alright then, let's just open it. Well, we are greeted with the international warranty and a little bit of user instruction. Yep. Wow. And this beautiful cloth with the Pagani logo on it. And here it is, the watch. Let's just put this aside away. Yep. Yes, there it is. The Pagani Design watch, which I bought over 2 months ago, and it just arrived. I never expected this to be this much heavier. Thought it would be a little bit lighter than I expected. Seems really good. Well, it does have a butterfly clasp. Let's just peel off the covers. Well, this seems really hard. Well, I'm back. I just peeled off all the extra wrappers. It was quite really hard. But just have a look at the watch. It's quite big. I can say that. And it's quite glossy as well. You can see all the reflections from the lights. It has a clean dial. It really looks good. The dial really looks good. One thing I'm not a huge fan of is the butterfly clasp. I wish it just had a regular clasp, but it's okay, fine. Well, that's the unboxing of the Pagani Design, and I'll catch you later. Bye.